तुम्हारा अपने घर से है?
नहीं पता
करना है तुम्हें? पूछूं?
मुझे
बाजार में सामान दिख रहा था इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ। पेंटर आया कहाँ अभी तक? तो छोड़ दूँ? ठीक है।
qual é a série? Hello everyone, whoever is on my channel, hello yes. Thank you for showing up for my stream and coming to my live. What are you going to do today? Okay, so I have a list of questions which I am doing one by one. So I'm going to do these. I have already solved Roman 2 integer, valid parentheses, remove duplicates. Like I have solved pretty much all of those. I have solved plus one as well. Today I'm going to solve move zeros problem, and after that I will check. I think I should have opened that link in the new tab. Here, move zeros to an end. This is the problem that we are going to do today. These are the easy level problems which we are doing. Yesterday I was stuck at a stack problem which was monotonic stack, and most probably I'll study monotonic stack today as well. I have to get done with monotonic stack. But before that I have to finish all these easy level problems on LeetCode. Alright, so let's start the stopwatch and let's read the problem. So the problem says, given an integer array nums, move all the zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. So we are not supposed to make a copy of the array, and we have to do it in place. Alright, let's say we have an 0 equal to, let's just say we have an int equal 0, for int I equal to 0, I less than nums, dot size I plus plus. So what is my approach going to be? What I am thinking that one number, this int 0 would be pointing at the current 0 for me, and in this int, in this loop, we are going to check if nums of I is not equal to 0. If it is not 0, then what can we do? We can replace it with 0 because we are assuming that our 0 is at 0. So we will replace it in temp equal to nums of I equal to nums of 0 equal to, oh wait, nums of 0 equal to 10. And after this, we can do 0 plus plus because our 0 is not at the same place anymore. Let's see if this is going to work. What? Did it work? Who did pass all the test cases? Oh, that actually passed all the test cases. And did I solve an easy level problem in less than 2 minutes? Damn. I can't believe it. Let's move to the next problem. I guess I should raise the level of problems now. Rotate image. Let's see if it's going to be easy. This is also an easy level problem, but let's see if I can solve it. We are given an n cross n 2D matrix. I don't think I'm good at matrix problems. Representing an image, rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. If you have rotated the image in place, which means you have to modify the input. Let's reset it. Though I don't think this is going to be any easy, but let's do it anyways. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do the rotation. So if it's 1, 2, 3, we have to rotate it like this. What do we have to do? Let's open XCalibur to understand the problem better, because we need to make an approach. We need to figure out how to solve a problem. Let's just start typing. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, can you even hear me? Yes, can you hear me? I have been talking from a long time and you haven't responded even once. Mm-hmm. Let's just say we have like this 1, 2, 3. Since it's a 2D matrix, we can just use this. You can just write it like this. This helps in visualizing the problem better, because that way I would know what do I have to change, what do I have. Okay, okay, that's all right. No issues at all. 4, 5, and 6. And then we have 7, 8, 9. I think I'll need to make an approach for this since it's a matrix problem and I haven't done matrix ever. And from this, where do we have to do? We have to make it 7, 4, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Alright, I get it. We have to make it like this. 7, 4, 1. 8, 5, 6, if I'm getting it right. Then 9, 6. Oh, no. 9, 6, 3. It should be 8, 5, and 2. Alright, so this is what I have to make from this. But I hear you speaking this. No issues, you can take your time. At least you're here, so I always believe in that presence matters. At least you are present here. Alright. Now how do we do it? We know that we are accessing this index. This index is going from 1, 1. This is going from 1, 1 to 1, Doing Excalibur. If you were the one who told me about Excalibur, and I like this Excalibur quite a lot. Mm-hmm. And this 1 comma 2 to this is going 2 comma 3. There has to be some pattern. If there is no pattern, then that would be an issue. And how would I solve it? And the other is going from 1 comma 3 to 3 comma 3. This is for the first row. Let's just mark it. This is for the first row. And for the other one, I don't know who marked it medium. It doesn't look like a medium problem at all. The one is, this is at 2 comma 1 position, and it's going to 1 comma 2 position. I still don't see any pattern though. 5 comma 6, no, 7 is going. How the pattern is changing? Like this is going this. The center is always going to remain at the center. Rest all of those, if they are in the center, if they are in the horizontal way, then they are moving a step ahead. There has to be some way of rotating this. But what could be the way? I don't think that. How do we do that? If we see the one who's at 1 1 goes to 1 3, the one who's at 1 2 goes to 2 3, the one which is at 1 3 goes to 3 2. I don't see any pattern. 2 comma 1 goes to 1 comma 2. Some pattern has to be in all those numbers, but I just can't figure out that pattern. Only if I could figure out that pattern, this problem would be solved. Let's let's think about it from a coder's perspective. And as a person who is taking zeros, so it is 0 1, 0 2, 0 3. So we have a 0 1, 0 2, and 0 3. What happened with those? That became in third row, and that is 0 3, 2 3. Oh, there is no 3 actually. Uh, this was the mistake that I was making. Yes, it is at 0 0. The other is at 0 1, and the last is at 0 2. And from 0 0, they all went to, it went to 0 2. this went to 1, 2, and this went to 3, 3. Because it's 0, 2, 0, 2. Again, I'm writing it to you. Oh no. 0, 0. It went to 0, 2. 1, 1, 0, 1, 2. It went to 0, 1, 2. Is at 0, 2 position. This one is at 1, 2 position. The other is at 2, 2 position. Why is it so confusing? Uh, there has to be some relation. I just can't figure it out. Uh, oh, magic medium. I don't think I can solve it. I need to go and watch some videos before I come back to stream again.